Hey guys, Steve here. We're going to do a quick video on cleaning your mass airflow sensor on a 2018 Chevy Cruze LT 1.4 liter four-door sedan, wife's car. And that's where the mass airflow sensor is. Let me go out to a wide shot so you see it. This is a 1.4 liter engine. And that is where the mass airflow sensor is. So we're going to first pull up that little click sound, pull up the red, I guess it's a little lock, red lock, and give it a little pinch. Come on. Little pinch. Okay, it wants to be a booger. There we go. Little pull, comes off. So then it's going to take a, let's see here, focus. It's not focusing. It's not focusing. Okay, why aren't you focusing? Sorry. T25, star, or Torx screw. We'll go ahead and take that off and then we'll come right back. Alright guys, I'm back and that is where the mass airflow sensor went. And here it is. We're going to go ahead and come over here and we are going to clean it with CRC Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner. Do not, I repeat, do not use gasoline. I know. Stop laughing. Gasoline or brake cleaner or any other soap and water or anything you might be thinking, I clean it that way. No, clean it with the Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner. It doesn't have to be this brand, but this is what I have. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to clean. There's one of the sensors there, but you're just going to spray everything on the outside. You're not going to spray inside the plug. You're just going to spray the outside. That's it. And after you get done with that, what's nice about this air cleaner, you know, it's good to clean your air cleaner when you're changing out the filter. I had a brain freeze there. Filter, it's always a good idea to just clean your mass airflow sensor. It's not hard, like you're gonna see right now how we're doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray the outside. You see how it evaporates really fast? Cleans it real good. And it dries really fast. Sorry. I'm all looking down what I'm doing. I'm not looking at the camera. My apologies. So that's it. You just spray it on there real good. Doesn't take a lot. And it will dry on its own. And we'll put it back in the way we took it out. And that's it. That's cleaning your mass airflow sensor. All right, take care.